Here are the two schools for tonight's show. The number 12 seed Jamaica College up against the number 5 seed Bellefield High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Jamaica College is represented today by Team Captain Jumani Shakespeare, Nicholas Francis, Malik Dilworth, and Fabian Morris. And Bellefield High is represented by Team Captain Andrew Stevenson, Chadwick Davis, Malone Powell, and Rohan Henry. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 7th match in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Jamaica College won and decided to go first. So we begin with Jamaica College. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock. JC, Principles of Business. What word starting with M describes the joining of 2 or more companies or organizations to form a single larger company? Merger. That's right. Principles of Business for Bellefield. What term starting with J describes a business activity in which 2 or more companies have invested together?
Joint business.
Joint venture. Incorrect. Local affairs, a visual clue for JC. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Shiny Robinson.
Incorrect. Joyce Denise Daly, Member of Parliament. Local affairs for Bellefield. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Richard.
Incorrect. Colin Fagan. English language for JC. Give a 9-letter word starting with I, which means to stop the continuous progress of an activity.
Interrogate.
Incorrect. Interrupt. English language for Bellefield. Give a 9-letter word starting with P, which means a special right or immunity granted only to a particular person or group.
Privilege.
That's correct. Music and audio clue for JC. Listen to the following clip and give the name of this group.
There's no trouble sleeping, 'cause when a heart breaks, no, it don't break even.
The Scream.
Incorrect. The script. Music for Bellefield. Listen to the following clip and give the title of this song.
He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone.
Helper.
Incorrect. She will be loved. General knowledge for JC. What is the national animal of Canada?
The Beer.
Incorrect. The beaver. General knowledge for Bellefield. What is the national animal of France?
Blackbird.
Incorrect. The rooster. Theatre and cinema for JC. A visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Betty Davis.
Melissa McCarthy. Theatre and cinema for Bellefield. Your visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jennifer Aniston.
Sarah Jessica Parker. Geography for JC. The largest sand island in the world is in Australia. What is its name?
Great Sandy Desert.
Incorrect. Fraser Island. Geography for Bellefield. Sand Island, formerly known as Quarantine Island, is a small territory in which U.S. state?
Colorado.
Incorrect. Hawaii. Sport or visual clue for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Igor Dimitrov.
Pro tennis player, correct. Sport for Bellefield. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Andy Murray.
Incorrect. John Eisner, pro tennis player. Chemistry for JC. MgO is the formula for what solid mineral?
Magnesium oxide.
That's correct. Chemistry for Bellefield. What is the formula of magnesium sulfate?
MGS.
Incorrect. MgSO4. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Jamaica College on 3 points, Bellefield High on 1 point. It's time to pause now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Music. The question is, what is the title of the song by Michael Jackson which contains the lyrics, Skinhead, Deadhead, Everybody Gone Bad? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.